this kite video. First in this explanation by splitting up the kite into 4 triangles, and then into left and right triangles, and then up and down triangles. So here is our kite. Let's call this diagonal P, and let's call that diagonal Q. Now here's a rectangle behind it. Now for this section, the pink part will be half of the area. For this section, the pink part will be half of the area. For this section, the pink part will be half of the area, and again for this section. For all of these sections, the pink part is half of the area. And that means that the area of the kite is half of the area of the rectangle for each of these sections. Therefore, the area of the kite is half the area of the rectangle. And we already know what the area of a rectangle is. It is length times width. Now what about with these P and Q? How do we find the area of the rectangle? Well, because P is that length there, that means that P is the length of this part as well. Because Q is the length of here, that means that Q is the length of here as well. And that means that the area of the rectangle will be length times width, or P times Q. And therefore the area of the kite is 1/2 PQ. Now let's split this up in a different way, left and right. Now let's call this X and let's call this Y. Now for this diagonal of Q that we've chosen to label as Q, X and Y are actually equal, but it does not matter for this explanation, and so I'm just going to call it X and call this one Y. Now what is the area of this section? Well, it would be 1/2 base height because of the triangle, and so that would be for this specific triangle 1/2 PX. What about for this triangle? Again, it would be 1/2 base times height, and for the specific triangle, it would be 1/2 PY. And the area of the kite would then be 1/2 PX plus 1/2 PY. Using the distributive property, we get this. And now for this explanation, X plus Y is equal to Q. And so we get the area of the kite to be 1/2 PQ. Let's split this up in a different way, up and down. Now let's call this side X and this side Y for this explanation. Now what will be the area of this triangle? Will it be 1/2 base height, which would be 1/2 QX. What will be the area of this triangle? Again, we use 1/2 base height formula, and so the area of this triangle will be 1/2 QY. And so the area of the kite will be 1/2 QX plus 1/2 QY. Now use the distributive property. For this explanation, X plus Y is equal to P, and so the area of the kite will be 1/2 QP. And by using the commutative property of multiplication, we get that the area of the kite is 1/2 PQ. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to, feel free to click on this playlist to watch more similar videos.